Rowan, you want to pet the goat? Touch his head. Rowan, we're over here. You can touch him. Good boy.
Oh.
Yay! Oh, don't hit. Don't hit. Be gentle. Oh, nice goats. Are you going to feed the goats? Trash. Let's go this way. Look at your goats. Look, they want some love.
Got another carrot?
You want to feed him a carrot?
You want to give him a carrot?
Oh, Rowan, look who's coming. Look who's coming.
Here, can you give it a carrot, Rowan? There you go.
Rowan, who's this? Who's that?
Rooster.
It's a rooster. Where'd it go? Here it went.